Hi guys, hope you all are well. So today is like one of my most requested videos about blow drying my hair. I've just come out of shower, hence no makeup. So I thought, I was about to blow dry my hair. I thought, I might as well sit down here and do it in front of my camera. Blow drying is putting heat in your hair, and it will of course damage a bit of it no matter how much you try. So just to compensate that, I always try to oil massage my hair before blow drying, and today I've used this Wow Skin Science Onion Black Seed Hair Oil. This is a non-sticky, non-greasy hair oil, and it makes hair silkier and stronger. So the key ingredients are onion black seed oil, almond, castor, jojoba oil and coconut oil. So it not only tames frizz, it reduces hair loss, boosts gloss, and it balances scalp. And this oil doesn't have any mineral oil or silicone. Onion black seed are also known as Nigella. It's natural treasure of nutrition that tackles almost every hair woe effectively and efficiently. It has potent antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, help to keep dandruff in check, soothes scalp eruptions and boost blood circulation. So this comes in this 200 ml bottle and it's priced at ₹5.99. So yeah, that's about it. So the natural texture of my hair is wavy, as you can tell right now. I have just towel dried them, applied a little bit of argan oil in my hair, and I have also applied a heat protectant. I'll mention everything in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. So now all you need is a paddle brush, something like this. This is dirty, that's why I'm not showing it to you properly. So this is a dirty brush, I have to clean it. But yes, the paddle brush is really good. This is from Scarlett line. You can use any hair dryer. So I'm using a hair dryer with a narrow nozzle like this, so that your heat is concentrated, the air is concentrated. So first thing first, I'm going to blow dry my hair a bit. So keep the hair dryer in this position so that heat flows from top to bottom, and do not do this kind of motion, because then your hair will be all the more fluffy, frizzy. So you have to control the frizz. So put your hair dryer on the top of your hair like that and blow air. So now my hair is partially dried. So what I do, I part my hair in the middle very roughly like this. And remember, I'm not straightening my hair like with a straightener. I'm just trying to make them look straighter than how they are naturally, especially in the front. They look like this very bad. So what I do, brush your hair and get your hair inside the brush like this. I don't know how to explain this step, but you can see and copy it. So what I'm doing is, I am taking a chunk of hair inside the brush like this, switching on the hair dryer, put it against the hair brush, and then I will be like combing very slowly like this. I'll just show it to you. You guys must have noticed that I am pulling my hair towards my face because I have layers in front, and by doing that my hair looks like my layers look really nice. Now I am quite happy with my hair right now, except the front section which looks so bad even now. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to pull these strands right front and then comb under them like this, and then repeat the step. But otherwise, as you can see, my hair looks pretty straight. They will not look poker straight because that's not what I want them to look like. With this method, the bounce remains in my hair. My hair look really bouncy, nice, and as you can see, they are looking pretty nice and straight. So this is all I do. I don't use round brush and all, and the results look even better next day. So I'll highly recommend you doing this before before an event, like a night before an event, and do not tie your hair or anything. Just leave them like this, leave them open like this, and they will look even better the next day. That's how my hair looks, and I hope you guys like this way of blow drying, and it's very easy and convenient. I'm a lazy person, so I don't really do too much even when it comes to blow drying, and once you get a hang of it, it is even quicker. Even you can do it in the morning. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick demo of how I blow dry my hair straight. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll mention all the products used or demoed in the video in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.